Hello, we found these at Target today. We are pumped to open them. Welcome to the Lazy Panda. All right. But good news though is that we are able to find Pokemon cards that aren't need to be on stock day.
Mm-hmm.
No, we found these on a Wednesday. That was pretty cool. So.
Do we have a Snorlax?
I don't know. We'll have to check it out. That's your favorite Pokemon, right, Books?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna get all these opened up for you guys and start ripping open some cards. All right. So in this blister pack, we get Morpeko holographic, Snorlax holographic, and Applin holographic. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So let's get a ripping. Kind of need a theme song, I think, for our openings. You know, what do you think?
Yeah.
Think you could write one?
A theme song, sure.
Trainer code card. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. We're just opening the other packs in case you're wondering what the noise is. Scatterbug, Galarian, Mr. Mimes, Boink, Maywell, Cackney, Tower of Darkness, and Noctillery, Rapid Strike, holographic. Very nice. Thank you, Battle Styles, for the cool cards. Here we go again. Oh, guys, I'm sorry, I forgot. We also get this nice little Pokecoin too. Looks like a Alolan Raichu. Here we are. Code card, redeem. So if it says redeem, I believe it's green. If it says TCGO, like the first one, it's a white code card. In case you guys wondered about that. Maybe it's just me. Leaf. Hiding Energy. Pokemon Breeder. Spinner. I love that guy. Rowlet. Cinturn. Galarian Dorky Meeky. And Staraptor. Kind of like raptor and bird in the same freaking sentence. Alright, here we go. Darkness Ablaze. Next up, pack. So what do you think about these blister packs? You like them?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like them. I think there's a...
Alright, it says TCG. What does that mean? Yes.
In my head, I feel like these packs maybe provide more variety.
Yeah. I think it's nice to be able to get the Darkness Ablaze out of them. What is that? That is a marijuana smoking device. Pokemon, you know it, Rick? Look, whoa, okay, Pokemon. Pokemon on shrooms. Electric, Dino, and Charizard Big Loss! The Charizard!
No way!
Yes! Oh my gosh, I can't believe it! I just shat myself!
The boys are excited too.
Oh my gosh, the boys are going crazy! Charizard B!
Something, Charizard.
Oh my gosh! Hyped! Let's go, baby!
Hyped.
Alright, folks.
Wow!
Question of the day. What is your favorite pack to get right now? Comment down below what your favorite pack is currently right now.
Whew, I don't think I can top that.
Charizard!
Don't think I can
Holy
top it.
cow, these blister packs are stacked!
TCG? Oh, that's reading.
Redeem. The dogs are going crazy with that
Burn of
Charizard stuff.
Vitality, they are. Oh, love it, Cacnea.
Need proactive for your Cacnea?
Licky licky.
I just really wonder what the guys did with the Licky Licky. It just seems
I think I would rather not know what was going through.
so provocative. TCG!
My go card.
Okay, we're getting some decent deals here.
Dark Energy. Puppetchar. Combustion. Struggle Gloves. Vanilla.
Struggle Bus?
Struggle Gloves.
Oh, Struggle Gloves, alright.
Enhanced Usage.
Struggle Bus, Short
Diddy,
Bus.
Blink, E-Tran, Dracovic.
Let's go, baby. Here we go.
Let's go.
Is this the last one?
Pack.
Battle
Styles.
Cobra Kai edition. No mercy. Legit silly Cobra Kai.
Hey man, but got the Charizard.
I got the Charizard. I'm reading
Real
also
Blister, Spoopa, really Coley,
Zubat.
Crochet Zubat, and Salazzle.
RuPaul Salazzle. Very nice.
Definitely the pull of the day.
Charizard. Well, hey, thanks for tuning in. We appreciate the recent subs we've been getting. So, see you guys next time on the Lazy Panda.